Finding affordable rugs in Dubai is easy, but finding rugs that look premium, feel comfortable, and stay perfect for years is where most people struggle. Many homeowners invest in rugs that seem fine at first, but within months they start sliding, curling, or fading. When that happens, the entire room feels unfinished. Today, we're breaking down how to choose the right rug and why professional installation makes all the difference. If your space still doesn't feel complete, the problem may not be your furniture, it may be your rug. 1. Why cheap rugs usually cost you more. Cheap rugs often look attractive under showroom lighting, but real life tells a different story. Over time, the fibers flatten, the backing weakens, and the colors lose their depth. Instead of saving money, you end up replacing the rug again and again. True affordability isn't about paying less upfront. It's about choosing a rug that holds its shape, comfort, and style for years. Buying cheap once feels smart. Buying twice never does. 2. The real difference quality makes. High-quality rugs feel different the moment you step on them. They sit heavier on the floor, stay in place, and age gracefully with daily use. Good rugs don't fight your furniture placement. They support it and enhance the layout of the room. This is the difference between a temporary decor choice and a long-term interior investment. You don't notice quality every day until you live without it. 3. Why professional installation changes everything. Even the best rug can look average if it's poorly installed. Professional installation ensures correct alignment, smooth edges, and perfect positioning with furniture. When installed properly, a rug feels intentional and integrated into the space, not like an afterthought. This single step can instantly elevate the entire room. Same rug, same room. Installation alone decides whether it looks luxury or low budget. 4. Choosing rugs that actually work in Dubai. Dubai homes require rugs that can handle heat, dust, and constant movement. Living rooms need durability without stiffness. Bedrooms need softness without shedding. And dining areas need materials that are easy to clean without compromising style. Choosing the wrong rug for Dubai's lifestyle leads to fast wear and constant frustration. A rug that works abroad can fail quickly in Dubai. Climate matters more than trends. 5. One complete solution instead of multiple headaches. Buying a rug from one store and searching separately for installers often leads to sizing errors, poor placement, and wasted time. A complete solution, where rug selection, measurements, and installation are handled together, removes all the guesswork. This approach ensures the final result looks clean, balanced, and professional. One wrong measurement can ruin the entire look of a room. 6. Why homeowners trust RugDubai.com. RugDubai.com is built specifically for Dubai interiors. The rugs are curated for real homes, not just for display. Every design focuses on durability, comfort, and modern style, making them suitable for apartments, villas, and commercial spaces alike. The goal isn't just to sell rugs, but to help homeowners finish their spaces properly. When people stop comparing and start recommending one place, trust has already been earned. 7. Affordable pricing without compromising style. Affordable doesn't mean basic. By avoiding unnecessary showroom overheads, RugDubai.com offers premium-looking rugs at realistic prices. This means you can achieve a high-end look without stretching your budget, whether you're styling a single room or an entire property. Paying more doesn't always mean better. Knowing where to buy does. 8. Expert installation that feels seamless. With professional installation, the rug sits flat, edges stay clean, and furniture aligns naturally. The space feels finished rather than staged. This attention to detail is what separates a well-designed interior from an average one. This is the moment a room stops feeling temporary. 9. ideal for homes and commercial spaces. From living rooms and bedrooms to offices, salons, cafes, and restaurants, professionally installed rugs improve comfort, reduce noise, and enhance first impressions. Flooring sets the tone of a space before anything else does. Before people notice the decor, they feel the floor. 10. One change that transforms the entire space. A rug defines zones, adds warmth, improves acoustics, and ties furniture together. Very few interior upgrades deliver such a strong visual and functional impact in such a short time. Most upgrades take weeks. This one takes hours. Final words. If you're looking for affordable rugs in Dubai with professional installation, don't settle for shortcuts. Choose quality materials, correct sizing, and expert fitting, all from one trusted source. Visit RugDubai.com and experience how the right rug, installed the right way, can completely transform your space.